Hi, I'm Paul Haney, Editorial Director for Design World. I'm here to introduce you to our newest Senior Editor, Mary Gannon, who's joining us. Welcome, Mary.
Thank you.
I wanted to just have Mary talk a little bit about herself. Why don't you tell us some of your background? I know you went to Boston University way back when, but
Yes,
how'd you get into writing?
I actually graduated at Boston University with journalism. I always wanted to be a writer ever since I was a little kid, and always knew I wanted to be a journalist. And graduated from college and started working at a local paper here in Cleveland called the News Herald. Worked there for 2 years as a business reporter, and then I went into public relations for a few years.
Nice.
After I got laid off from that job, I ended up in the engineering biz.
Yeah, so talk a little bit about how you got into the technical writings. That's very interesting.
I actually started off as an associate editor. I really didn't know much about engineering or fluid power, motion control, power transmission, but I started working at a couple different books like that, and did some work on several books and websites where I edited mostly products and things like that, and kind of worked my way up to be a full-time technical editor covering fluid power.
Wonderful. Now I know also, and I've known you for years. We've worked together in the past, but you're also very active on social media. So talk about that a little bit. What's your favorite your platform on social media?
I personally, I love Facebook for friends and family, but work, I think Twitter is the coolest thing. I was actually very opposed to Twitter when I first got on it,
Okay.
But now that I use it all the time, I have a lot of great connections. I find a lot of cool things I like to read about, and it doesn't have to be necessarily related to my job. It's just sometimes there's just really cool stuff on there you can find, and I like Twitter a lot.
Absolutely. And then lastly, Mary, why don't we talk just a little bit about what you'll be doing for Design World, what kind of topics you'll be covering?
I will be covering a lot of different things, just like I have in the past. Fluid power, motion control, with power transmission, couplings, connectors, cables, things like that.
Wonderful.
So, excited to be here.
And we've got a few new tip sites that we'll be rolling out that Mary will be working with too. So please stay tuned. Again, Mary Gannon, our newest senior editor, welcome aboard.
Thank you.